you're hunting for a great deal on a scope for your rifle, this one has an amazing crosshair, and this is my highest recommendation. This is a rifle scope by UUQ. It also comes with mounting brackets to be able to, of course, mount it. It comes with the lens caps. I love that they're attached so you don't lose them. You're even still able to completely use this with the caps on both ends, but of course for highest quality vision, you're gonna want the caps off. You're able to have your zoom and your focus adjustments right here. It has two turrets, one on the side, one on the top, and they are for tool-free calibration. You're able to just simply turn it here with your fingers. You don't need any tools, which makes this amazing. You don't have to worry about bringing along extra stuff with you. This is a high-quality rifle scope that is great for beginners, if you're intermediate, or if you are a pro, and this will not break the bank. High quality, highly recommend it. Thank you, UUQ, for providing this for me.